tons of crafters in Ghana who have the ability to craft and DIY. And with the help of the Cricut machine, they are able to do that and more. And this course is to help them to master their machines and even enhance their creativity more.
Creative director for Phoenix Creations. I came all the way from Dodowa to learn how to master my Cricut machine at Accra with Crafts Supplies Ghana on Instagram. And before I came, I didn't know anything about the Cricut machine, how to create it and all that. But now I can do a lot of projects with my Cricut machine.
My name is Fatih and I come from Niger. I heard about Cricut Master class with Sherry and then I applied because I'm in deco and I want to be able to personalize, to design my own imagination, my own creation, and then I joined the class. And honestly, I'm very satisfied because within just 3 days, I'm able to design cake toppers, t-shirts. I even get bonus. I come for deco stuffs, and then I even get bonus on what I expected. So I encourage you to come to Sherry's class to master your Cricut machine. Merci beaucoup à Sherry vraiment pour cette belle opportunité. Je suis très satisfaite de cette classe. Merci vraiment.
My name is Mami Ajwa Ofri-Benin. I'm an event designer. I heard about Cricut Master class. I think the first class, I missed it. So I've been following religiously, consistently on Instagram, not to miss this one. And then, thankfully, I was able to join. I had my machine sitting down idle for quite some time. I use it for normal basic letter cutting, but I didn't know how much this machine could do for me. So now, attending this class has been so insightful. I can make boxes, my favorite boxes, a lot. Print t-shirts and then caps. I've met more than what I expected to learn. I will encourage you, if you want to be a crafter or if you want to get a side job or something, you can join Sherry's next class to learn a lot. There is a wide range of things that you could do when you join this class.
My name is Rachel. I'm the face behind Rwanda Cakes and More. I heard about the Cricut class on Instagram. I have the machine, but it's been there for over a year. I've never used the machine. So when I saw the class, I decided to call the coordinator. Her name is Sherry. The first class, unfortunately, I was very late for registration, so I couldn't join in. And so the second class, I made sure I was the first to sign up for the class, and sincerely speaking, it's been amazing, like very, very amazing. I've done a lot of cake toppers, I've done paper flowers, I've even done a mug, like with my name on the mug. I've done a t-shirt with my name on it, something that like on a normal day I wouldn't have ever thought of doing. So the class is really, I'll say yes, it's very beneficial. I got my money's worth. I don't regret coming for the class. I made new friends. I networked a bit, so it's a nice class. I'll urge you all who have the machine and you don't know how to use the machine to look out for the next class and sign on to the class. I'm sure you wouldn't regret it.